Have you ever wondered why sometimes you feel heavy, anxious, or foggy, even when you eat healthy? What if the answer isn't in your mind, but deep inside your gut? A hidden world of trillions of living organisms, your gut microbiome, quietly deciding how you think, how you feel, and how you heal. Tonight, we dive into a truth that science is only beginning to understand. 5 foods that heal your gut naturally, backed by real science. Let's enter the invisible universe inside you. 1. Fermented foods, the living healers. Inside every spoon of yogurt, sauerkraut, or kimchi lies a microscopic army. Billions of beneficial bacteria that scientists call probiotics for gut health. They're not just passengers in your body, they're co-workers, fixing, cleaning, and protecting your digestive walls. When you eat fermented foods for gut, you send reinforcements to your microbiome, soldiers ready to restore balance after stress, antibiotics, or poor diet. Studies show they can restore gut flora, reduce inflammation, and even ease symptoms of anxiety by communicating through what's known as the gut-brain axis. It's no wonder these foods are at the top of every healthy gut foods list. Nature's way to heal your gut naturally, one bite at a time. 2. Fiber-rich plants, the architects of the microbiome. While probiotics are like the workers, fiber is the building material they use. Vegetables, oats, apples, beans. These are more than just healthy foods. They're gut-healing foods, feeding the good bacteria that build the protective lining of your intestines. Scientists call this the gut microbiome diet, a way of eating that fuels diversity inside your digestive world. When your gut microbes feast on fiber, they produce short-chain fatty acids, healing compounds that restore gut health, calm inflammation, and protect against disease. A simple rule of thumb: more color on your plate, more life in your gut. Because when you eat plants, you're not just feeding yourself, you're feeding your inner ecosystem. 3. Bone broth, the liquid repair kit. There's a reason bone broth has been used for centuries in traditional healing rituals. Rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine, this ancient remedy works as a gut repair diet all on its own. Think of it as glue for your digestive lining, sealing tiny cracks and soothing inflammation that can lead to leaky gut symptoms. It also provides hydration and minerals your body craves when your digestion feels off. When combined with other gut-friendly meals, bone broth acts as a silent restorer, repairing from within, sip by sip. It also provides hydration and minerals your body craves when your digestion feels off. When combined with other gut-friendly meals, bone broth acts as a silent restorer, repairing from within, sip by sip. For those seeking a natural gut cleanse or even a natural gut detox, bone broth is the perfect reset. Gentle, ancient, and profoundly effective. 4. Ginger, the fiery root of restoration. For thousands of years, ginger has been more than a spice. It's been a healer. Modern science confirms what ancient healers already knew. Ginger accelerates digestion, enhances nutrient absorption, and reduces inflammation in the intestines. It's one of the best foods for digestion, helping move food smoothly through the system and reducing discomfort, gas, and nausea. When your stomach feels bloated, a warm cup of ginger tea becomes one of the most powerful gut health drinks you can have. It also acts as a natural gut detox, sweeping away toxins and calming spasms in the intestinal walls. It's fiery, bold, and alive. a spark that reignites the flame of your gut health benefits from the inside out. 5. Blueberries. Tiny berries, massive power. They look small. They taste sweet. But don't be fooled. Blueberries are biochemical warriors. Packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, they protect the delicate ecosystem of your intestines. Scientists say they're among the most powerful foods for gut health, capable of increasing beneficial bacteria and improving intestinal barrier function. They also reduce oxidative stress, a major cause of digestive and immune imbalance. When added to a smoothie, they transform it into a true gut-healing smoothie, a drink that heals as it nourishes. Blueberries belong to the group of best probiotics foods, not because they contain bacteria, but because they feed and protect the ones that already live inside you. Every sip, every bite, brings your microbiome one step closer to harmony. So, what happens when you bring all these together? Fermented foods, fiber-rich plants, bone broth, ginger, and blueberries. 5 pillars of your inner health temple. Together, they form a gut-healing diet that doesn't just stop pain or bloating. It transforms your body from within. You'll start to notice fewer foods to reduce bloating, more energy, clearer skin, and a sharper mind. Because the gut is more than a digestive organ. It's the center of your health, mood, and immunity. Your body is always listening. When you nourish your gut, it speaks back in the language of energy, focus, and calm. Every heartbeat, every breath, your gut is there, silently translating the world around you into signals your brain can feel. It remembers the meals that comforted you, the stress that drained you, and the moments you forgot to care for yourself. Science calls it the second brain. Ancient healers called it the core of life. But maybe it's something even deeper. The bridge between your body and your soul. It senses your emotions before you speak them, and it whispers the truth when your mind tries to ignore it. Whatever you choose to name it, protect it, feed it, listen to it. Because it's not just keeping you alive, it's keeping you connected. Remember this, healing isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Your gut doesn't need control, it needs care. It thrives not on restriction, but on rhythm. The rhythm of rest, nourishment, and gratitude. Every meal is a chance to rebuild what modern life has taken away. Each bite is a message to your cells, a promise that you're choosing balance over burnout. So next time you sit down to eat, take a breath. Feel the warmth of your food and ask yourself, are you feeding your hunger or your future? Because a healthy gut means a healthy you, not just in body, but in clarity, emotion, and peace. This was 5 foods that heal your gut naturally, backed by science. Stay curious, stay alive, and always trust your gut, the quiet guide that's been with you since your very first breath.